What's going on, traders? Welcome back to Daily Recap. Today was a great trading day. We had a lot of price action, which I really liked. I saw a lot of opportunities to trade. A few I did not get filled, but that's okay. I did make 3 trades today. So let's go over the chart. On the daily, when I came in, we had a gap between the price action. Usually that means market likes to come back and fill those gaps, whether it's the same day or the next day, you don't really know. Normally it's usually the same day, but sometimes it'll take a day or two. But usually the market likes to fill those gaps. We do have a lot of resistance coming up at this level right here at 37.34. So if we break this, we close on the highs above this area today, that'd be great. Maybe we can continue up, but you never know. If we do close below this level, we might be in a little range here. The price might reverse, it comes back down. So on a daily chart, on the 2000 tick chart, I have my nodes biased to the upside. As you can clearly see, there was a gap. Like I said, there's a gap right here. It was pink at the time. I changed the color, and I said as of now momentum is pretty strong, stay with the trend, and I said we could see some mixed trading as the day progressed. So the first opportunity I saw to trade was this lower high. You do have a break here, new high already in place. You do have a lot of resistance at this level. You can almost trade as a triple test. Maybe you can take this one as a triple test. It depends how you saw it. Either way, it works pretty well. You can use a triple test or field breakout, but this is a better trade. It just confirms the reversal, right? So low high, good trade. Prices start working back down to the other side of the range, basically, because you can clearly see there's a range here. And you do get a failed second entry long / second entry short. It is congested. You are going long, short into the recent lows, so just make sure you have enough room to get out. But it is a little bit congested, but nevertheless, it does confirm the trend channel as well. And basically we have a break, a new low in place, and the price starts to reverse. And at the time I thought that we might have some kind of correction and continuation to the upside, but I did have my trend channel here as well, and we do get a higher low here, and you'll see this repeat later on in the day. Basically confirmation of the second entry long here. The second entry long here is not a great setup. The single bar is not good, but this does confirm the second entry. The only problem with this is you going long to recent highs, so that could be an issue. But with this trend channel working up, and you see how it's holding the price nicely, so solid trade in my opinion. Then price reverses and goes back down. I didn't have this bigger trend channel just yet. I just had this small one. And you do get, I get second entry short. I did not get, was it this one? No, I did not take this one. I was trying to take, I think it was this one and this, yeah, this one right here. So yeah, this one right here is the only thing I don't like about this one. It's in a little bit of a congestion, and the signal bar is neutral-ish, but it is only 9 ticks, so you're expecting to break a new low. So that's a solid trade in my opinion. Finally get a break, a new low, and then price reverses. You do get a failed second entry short here. The problem with this is you go long to recent highs, so you got to make sure that you have enough room to get out. But you see how it instantly reversed, so that's a solid indication the price is going to go higher. And that's the trade that I took. Again, like I said, it's a little bit risky. You do have a break and new high expected, but you can see how, first entry short, second entry short, and price just literally reversed and went up. So pretty good indication that price might go even a little higher. So once I saw this swing, I drew my trend channel like this. It was actually a trend line. It wasn't like a trend channel just yet. And then I got a failed second entry long here, and that was my second trade. Again, pretty quick. It is congested as well, so not ideal, but it works. You do have a short-term channel working down, break new low in place. You do get a higher low here, but since the price could not make to this other side, or to this lows, I should say, it's a pretty much solid trade in my opinion to take take that trade, and you have a break new low already in place. But once I saw the swing right here, confirming that trend line. Okay, I thought that, changed my mind, and I'm just gonna go look for shorts, and just because you have a bearish imbalance in play. You finally get this nice downtrend working down. Get a beautiful second entry short here. I did not get filled. I wanted to take this. I did not get filled, but it is what it is. Again, break new low expected. There's a little bit of congestion here, and then I saw this trade. Now this trade, at first I saw it as a basically support breaks and then retest the resistance. That's how I saw it, and it's also a failed second entry long because you got a new high here, first entry long, second entry long failure. But I saw it as a basically break retest, support and resistance. So solid trade in my opinion. Quick little scalp, and then price reversed, and my third trade of the day was basically this higher low. And the reason like I took this trade, you can see how the price holding the support here, pretty much the same concept as here. This is a little bit on a smaller scale, but you can see how the price holds, and there is a second entry short here, so there's a failure as well. This bar is basically first leg and second entry leg all in one bar because it's ticked lower and then reversed and went higher and then lower again. So, and there is a second entry long as well, I believe. New high, first entry long, second entry long. Signal bar is not good, but it does confirm that second entry long as well. The only problem with this trade is it closed below the EMA, which is not ideal, but the way this trend line holds in the price is pretty solid trade. And the problem is, what I had with this is originally I had a range here, but obviously that's not correct. But I still thought that the price will come back, at least test these highs, or even at least these highs. And I just kept on moving my take profit, and I only scalped out with a point and a quarter, I believe, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. Finally, price breaks out, pulls back, and you do get a second entry long here as well, but it's a setup right, but you do get a higher low confirming that second entry long. The only problem with this is a little bit too far from the EMA, but you do have enough room to recent highs, so solid trade in my opinion. And that's about it really. You have a break, new high in place, and should be looking for shorts, but I feel like it's already getting late in the day. It's already almost 1 o'clock. I feel like I don't want to push it, but pretty happy with 3 trades. But the price might reverse and comes back down and test this gap again, or at least test these lows. You never know. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully tomorrow price action is pretty decent as well. And thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.